Good morning, student of class 2. I am a computer teacher Sonjit sir. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to discuss about the exercise question answer of chapter 4. Okay, chapter 4, the computer keyboard. Okay, and as all of you know that the first term exam is coming soon and we already have got the syllabus. So now discuss about the syllabus before going to the question answer section. Okay, here you can see the syllabus of first term exam. The first four chapter which are included in the first term exam. Chapter number 1 is computer and electronic device. Chapter number 2, role of an computer. Chapter number 3, input and storage device, and chapter number 4 is the computer keyboard. I already have discussed all this chapter in my previous videos, and all of you need to read the chapter very carefully. Read the each and every line very carefully, because the first term exam is mainly based on MCQ. Okay, so all of you should read the chapter very carefully. Okay, now discuss about the question answer. Here you can see the content of the chapter number 4. Alphabet key. First number 1 is alphabet key, numeric keys, symbol keys, special keys, arrow keys, and function keys and key combination. Okay, so these are the content of chapter 4. Now let's revise the chapter number 4. Number 1 point is the keyboard is an input device. It is used to type the text into the computer. That means we all know that keyboard, mouse, these are the example of input devices. Okay, so and the keyboard is used to type टेक्स्ट इनटू द कंप्यूटर. दैट मीन्स जो कीबोर्ड है वो इनपुट डिवाइस है और कीबोर्ड का यूजेस क्या है, टू टाइप टेक्स्ट इन ए कंप्यूटर. ओके, नेक्स्ट थिंग इज देयर आर 26 अल्फाबेट कीज A to Z. We all know that in English alphabet there are 26 alphabet, and the keyboard has also 26 alphabet keys A to Z. Okay, the next point is there are two sets of number digits. Okay, number digits, there are two sets of number digits, 10 number keys from 0 to 9. Okay, on the keyboard. दैट मीन्स कंप्यूटर कीबोर्ड में दो न्यूमेरिक कीपैड है, 0 to 9. वी ऑल नो दैट 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. दीज आर द numbers key which are on the computer keyboard. Okay, to type the symbol, press the shift key along with the symbol key. That means when we need to type any symbol, any kind of symbol, we need to first of all press the shift key, then along with the symbol key. That means जो हम लोगों को कभी भी जब अगर कीबोर्ड में सिंबल की को प्रेस करना है तो हम लोगों को क्या करना पड़ेगा कि पहले तो शिफ्ट की प्रेस करना होगा, उसके बाद सिंबल की को प्रेस करना होगा. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नीड टू क्लिक ऑन द सिंबल शिफ्ट की, देन अलोन विद द सिंबल की. ओके, शिफ्ट की प्लस सिंबल की. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज the space bar is the longest key on the keyboard. We all know that the space bar is the longest key on the keyboard and it is on the bottom of the keyboard. Okay, that means जो space bar है वो सबसे क्या होता है, बड़ा होता है, बड़ा कीबोर्ड होता है on the keyboard. Next is the backspace key is used when you want to erase the letter on the immediate left side of the cursor. That means backspace key is the backspace key. We use the backspace key to erase the letter on the immediate left of the cursor. That means जो cursor होता है, cursor the blinking line or on the monitor. ओके, ब्लिंकिंग लाइन ऑन द मॉनिटर उसको हम लोग कर्सर बोलते हैं. और जो बैकस्पेस की होता है वो कहाँ से डिलीट करता है, इमीडिएट लेफ्ट ऑफ द कर्सर. दैट मीन लेफ्ट साइड से वो कोई भी लेटर को इरेज करता है. Next point is delete. Delete key is similar. We can use delete key to erase any type of letter, word, paragraph. Okay, but delete key erase the letter immediate right side of the cursor. That means right side of the cursor. Okay, backspace is left side and a delete key is right side. Next is the enter key is used to move the cursor on the next line. We all know that we use the enter key to go to the next line. That means जो enter key होता है वो क्या करता है कि कर्सर को नेक्स्ट लाइन में ले जाने में हम लोगों को हेल्प करता है. ओके, यू कैन टाइप अल्फ़ाबेट्स की इन कैपिटल और स्मॉल लेटर यूजिंग कैप्स लॉक की और शिफ्ट की. दैट मीन्स हम लोगों को अगर कभी भी अगर कैपिटल में लिखना होता है तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि कैप्स लॉक की को प्रेस करके उसके उसके बाद लिखना स्टार्ट करते हैं, तब जाके जो भी हम लोग लिखेंगे वो कैपिटल में होगा। अगर हम लोगों को बीच बीच में कैपिटल में लिखना है तो हम लोग शिफ्ट की यूज़ करते हैं। ओके, वी यूज़ कैपिटल लेटर्स टू शिफ्ट की एंड द कैप्स लॉक की। ओके, नेक्स्ट इज एरो कीज। दी एरो कीज आर यूज टू मूव द कर्सर इन डिफरेंट डायरेक्शन। दैट मीन्स जो एरो की होता है वो क्या करता है, हम लोगों का जो कर्सर होता है द ब्लिंकिंग लाइन ऑन द कंप्यूटर, उसको हटाने के लिए, टू मूव द कर्सर इन डिफरेंट लोकेशन, हम लोगों को जो एरो कीज होता है उसको वो हम लोगों को हेल्प करता है। Next is there are 12 functions key F1 to F12. That means the computer has different types of keys, functions keys, special keys, etc. Then the functions key are 12 functions key on the keyboard. Okay, next is key combination. Key combination means pressing two or more keys together to get a specific result. That means when we need to do a specific task, we need to click two keys ऑन द कीबोर्ड। दैट मीन्स क्या होता है कि हम लोगों को अगर कोई भी स्पेसिफिक टास्क कंप्यूटर कीबोर्ड में कंप्यूटर में करना होता है तो हम लोग 2 कीज प्रेस करते हैं। ओके, सो इसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे, की कॉम्बिनेशन। सो दिस इज़ द रिवाइज ऑफ दिस चैप्टर। नाउ वी मूव ऑन टू द क्वेश्चन आंसर सेक्शन। Here you can see first is fill in the blanks. So first fill in the blanks is there are dash function keys. There are 12 function keys. Okay, next is the dash is the longest key on the keyboard. The spacebar is the longest key on the keyboard. Next is press the dash key to move the cursor in the next line. Press the enter key to move the cursor in the next line. Next is there are 26 alphabet keys on the keyboard. Okay, next is the keyboard is an input device. So these are the fill in the blanks from this chapter. And as I told you that the coming exam is mainly MCQ based, so the question comes like this: there are dash function keys. Okay, 12, 13, 15, 16. So all of you need to choose from 12, 13, 15, 16 option. Okay, so this is a one example of multiple choice question. The multiple choice question is coming inside the chapter, inside from the chapter, or exercise from this chapter. Okay, if all of you read the chapter very carefully, then you will answer each and every question. Okay, that's why I always told that please read the chapter very carefully. Okay, next thing is match each key combination ऑफ इट्स फंक्शन। दैट मीन्स पहले कॉलम में है की कॉम्बिनेशन, नेक्स्ट कॉलम में है फंक्शन। सो फर्स्ट इज ऑल्ट प्लस F4। ओके, ऑल्ट प्लस F4 मीन्स टू क्लोज ए प्रोग्राम। इन आवर बुक द first matching is done in our book, but this is wrong. Okay, alt plus F4 always used to close a program. Next is control alt delete to change the computer password. Okay, control alt delete is used to change the computer password. Next is shift plus alphabet to type alphabets in capital letters. Next is shift plus number to type symbols on upper half of the number key. That means हम लोगों को जब भी कोई भी सिम्बल्स लिखना होता है तो हम लोग शिफ्ट प्लस नंबर को प्रेस करते हैं। नेक्स्ट इज कंट्रोल प्लस एस्केप। ओके, ESC मतलब एस्केप। कंट्रोल प्लस एस्केप बटन होता है तो टू ओपन द स्टार्ट मेनू। सो दीज आर द मैचिंग ऑफ द फॉलोइंग चैप्टर। नेक्स्ट इज true false. Okay, so first is the F1 key is always used for help. Okay, the F1 key is always used for help, so this statement is correct, so we write here true. Next is to type the symbol, press the shift key along with the symbol key. This statement is also correct. Okay, next is there are 3 shifts key on the keyboard. We all know that on our computer on the keyboard only 2 shifts key are there. Okay, 2 shifts key are there, so this statement is false. This backspace key is used when you want to erase the letter on the immediate left of the cursor, so this statement is correct. We all know that backspace it erase the letter on the immediate left side of the cursor, and delete key erase the letter on the right side of the cursor. Okay, next is alphabet keys are used to move the cursor in different direction, so this statement is incorrect. Arrow keys are the keys which moves the cursor in different location. Okay, next is write the name of the 6 special keys present on the keyboard. Number 1 is spacebar key, backspace key, delete key, enter key, caps lock key, and shift key. So these are the special keys which are on the keyboard. Okay, next is, here is the inside question answer from this chapter. I will already provide it to you, that this inside question answer. I hope that all of you read and learn this question answer. And total number of inside question answer is 15. Okay, total number of inside question answer is 15. So if all of you read the chapter very carefully and read all the question answer, then you will easily answer any type of question answer come inside the chapter or exercise from this chapter. Okay, so today I am ending my discussion here. I will start revising each and every chapter in my from my the next video. Okay, so take care, goodbye, and thank you.